Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Gaurav Graphics. In this video we are going to create a album cover art, and we can say that it is a product banner. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first we have to open our Photoshop, and this is our design and we are going to make this. So I have already created this, so I am showing you step by step. So first we need to take a artboard. So this is our artboard and the size of that artboard is 1400 by 1400 pixels. So you can choose that size from here. So this is our size and just hit here, create. And now you can see that I had created a background for it. So this is our background color. You can change it according to our need, and you can take this color from here, solid color. So this is our solid color and our product is this. So I will provide that product link in description, so you can download from there and create something interesting, and you can send your work in my Instagram account. So my Instagram account link is also in description, so you can search and follow me from where. And thank you. So this is our artboard, and we need to make RD some gradient way. So this is our gradient, and you can use that kind of gradient from the brush tool. You have to just select the brush. And increase the size of that brush and choose something light color from here. Like first you need to take soft brush, and from here you can select that color first, and you can make it light little bit, and you have to just press it. So it is looking quite good. I am just making undo it, and now it is a shadow of our real product. You can make first it copy, and you have to put that real image in downside and decrease the opacity of it. So I am making 12% of opacity of it, and now select the layer mask of it from here and take brush tool and decrease the size of it and erase that part of our design like that. So I have already deleted this, so there is no need to erase again. And I had created some kind of shapes in this design. So this is our shapes. So I am showing you step by step. First I need this bubble. I add this bubble, and after that I use that cut rectangles, and I use a circle in this shape, and these are our ornament shapes. So I am showing you how I adjust that and how I make this. So first you need to go shape option, and here you can see that custom shape tool, and here you can see that there are thousands of shapes we can use in our designs. So like that you can create something amazing. Now we need to add our text. So our text is this. So I had already created this. So first our text is wireless headphone Mahasale. So you can create this like this, and I am using here medium version of Gotham font. So you can use that font, and if you want to download that font, then the link in description, so you can download from there. Here I am using a number, and if anybody want to get this product, then they can place their order in that number. And here is some other text. So this is our website, and this is our order now text, and this is Mahasale text. These are our text, and we can adjust it according to our need. And I am using here a round rectangle shape downside of the order now text, so you can use it. And this is our color lookups option. So you know guys, from where we can select this option. So go to here first and select from here color lookup option, and we can adjust it according to our need. So you can see that these are the filters for our banner, so we can adjust it according to our need. So I am liking this filter. So our banner is completed. Hope you like this video. If you really like this, then give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you are new in my channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel, and the name of that channel is Gaurav Graphics. And if you want to download that PSD file, then you can download, link in description. And if you want to download that font, then the font link is also in description, so you can download from there. And thank you for watching.